Ngimmato ti 5.0% economic performance ti probinsya ti Benguet sigun ti datos anakalap ti Philippine Statistics Authority para ti taon 2024. Iti report ni Alberto Quilan Jr., iti representative iti probinsya iti Benguet, dumanon ti 86.91 billion pesos ti gross domestic product ti nasaw a probinsya. Inarnapay ang himato ti gross value added dagiti talo a major industry ti probinsya ti Benguet. Umuna dita iti industriya ti agriculture, forestry, ken fishing ket ngimmato data iti 8.1%, industry adan iti 0.1%, ken ti services adan ti 6.0% increase. Malaksig ang ngimmato ti gross value added ti talo a major industry, ngimmato matlaang ti share dagito iti ekonomiya ti naso a probinsya. Nusad nukat dumanon iti 15.5% ti agriculture, forestry, and fishing. Services nga dan iti share as 63.7%, kan industry nga dan iti 20.8% a share iti 86.91 billion a gross domestic product para iti tawen 2024 iti probinsya ti Benguet. Kabeta na imbinsa-binsa ni Quilan Jr. ti performance dagiti na dumaduma nga industries no sa dinukat ti industriya ti professional and business services ket ngimmato ti 11.2%. Sarunwan data iti accommodation and food service activities nga dan iti 10.2%, agriculture, forestry, and fishing 8.12%, financial and insurance activities 8.10%, human health and social work activities 8.0%, public administration and defense compulsory social security 7.3%, manufacturing 5.9%, electricity, steam, water, and waste management 5.7%, real estate and ownership of dwellings 4.5%, information and communication 4.4%, wholesale and retail trade of motor vehicles and motorcycles 4.0%, other services 3.9%, education 3.7%, ken transportation and storage 3.2%. Kabayatan na nagnegatibo met ti industriya ti construction nga addan iti record a negative 3.3%, ken mining and quarrying a negative 2.5%. Enay namet may kadwa ti probinsya ti Benguet ti kadakkelan ti per capita ti gross domestic product ti ekonomiya ti Rehiyon Cordillera a dumandanon ti 183,661. Intay mantenggan ti paset iti mensahe ni Alberto Quilan Jr. iti probinsya ti Benguet.
Is geared towards its vision, Benguet a haven of sustainable communities. So, guided by the administration's development thrust of a healthier Benguet, various programs were put in place and aligned across all sectors, meriting a holistic approach in providing services to the general public. Healthier stands for health, agriculture, livelihood, tourism, human resource, infrastructure, environment, and responsive governance. In addition, as a result of a sound monetary and fiscal management, Benguet province was elevated from second class to a first class province by 2024 by virtue of Republic Act 99164, which is the reclassification of LGU income class. Who would have thought that Baguio and Benguet would be what it is today after its devastation in the 90s due to the killer quake and the numerous strong typhoons that added further damage to our infrastructure and as a whole has been disturbing our economic activities from year on. But still, Benguet's resiliency stood tall. Benguet's economy has actually remained dependent on agriculture as its main economic driver. It embraces key factors of economic growth, which is the land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship.
Troll sa isa, Bombo Navigating, this is Bombo Radio Philippines, #1 and most trusted source of news and information, Basta Radio.